To create an inset sliding wardrobe, first, click on the shutter system, navigate to the left-hand panel and select the shutter system tab, and herein, set the shutter mechanism to any of the sliding shutter mechanisms in the list. In this case, I'll select a simple two-door sliding shutter. However, now when I open the top view, you can see that this is an overlay sliding shutter system. In this case, one of the shutter panels needs to be recessed within the wardrobe by its particular thickness, while the front shutter needs to be flush with the carcass. To do so, first, let us check the thickness of each panel. When you open panel and dimensions, you can see that the thickness is 18. To check the distance by which we need to move the back panel, select the measure icon in the toolbar, and you can see here that the distance in this case is 24. Therefore, the distance by which we need to shift this back panel to be inset is 24 plus its thickness, which is 18. To do so, we click on the panel, select the panel tab, open the Translate Panel drop-down menu, and in the Z field, we type in the minus of the sum of 24 plus 18. Now you can see this panel has been recessed into the carcass. In the case of the front panel, using the measuring tool, you can see that the distance to be translated is 54. Therefore, we need to shift the front panel by 54 in order for it to be flush with the protruding end of the carcass. We click on this panel, select the panel tab, open Translate Panel, and in the Z axis, we type in minus 54. Now you can see that the inset sliding shutter system has been created.